So what is your overall reaction to Punch Needle Plus?
That Kimberbell has done it again. Everything is just adorable. It's beautiful. I loved everything about it. I can't wait for it to come out.
What are you most excited about?
What I thought was so clever about Punch Needle Plus was that she thought of everything. Everything is included. I think that's one of the parts about starting a new project that you kind of procrastinate because you have to get everything together and get things started. And with this, everything is there. It's ready to go. You just have to grab the bag and get started.
How likely are you to purchase Punch Needle project?
100%.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult is Punch Needle Plus?
Surprisingly not difficult at all. I guess if I have to choose a number, I would say 1. I do it all: cross stitch, embroidery, quilt, hand embroidery. I was nervous. I thought it was going to be difficult. It wasn't difficult at all.